welcome to my channel. It's Tracy. For today's video, we're going to be doing May favorites. I'm kind of sad Game of Thrones is over. I didn't like the ending. I don't think anyone did. I have my own ending in my brain that I made up for myself. It ends with them all living in Winterfell. They're each married, each of the remaining Stark kids, and they all have kids. They all live together. They're happy. They rule the North. That's my ending, and that's what I'm staying with. Night gathers, and now my watch
begins. It shall not end until my death. To the night's watch, for this night
and all the nights to come. Just be careful if you want to order an official Game of Thrones collector's item, because some of them are just copycats. I have to remember I have it written down in my notes here. Give a shout out to the kids. When I say kids, I mean young adults. I ran into this group on Twitter. They're so nice. They're so supportive. My subscriber count has really gone up. It's Kim Bananos group. I'm going to link her YouTube channel and her Twitter below. If you're interested in getting in on that, talk to Kim. She'll take care of everything. You are now looking at the microfiber hair towel called Hit-sch. I had seen Jessica Braun with this. You can get this on Amazon for $15.99. This is a pretty good towel. I like it because you can really, I have really long hair and I can twist my hair up and get them up when they're wet, and I can get ready like that if I want. And you know, it keeps me from having to use another big towel that's going to go in the laundry, because I don't want to use it on my skin after I use it on my hair. And it's really light. It dries super fast. It does reduce your drying time, so you're reducing the amount of heat you're getting on your hair. I'm surprised. I'm really happy with this microfiber towel. It's amazing, and it's really soft. Love it. Staying on the subject of hair, this is Aveda dry shampoo. I know it's a big trend. When I was young, the trend was to wash your hair every day. But I know now you have to try to wash your hair as little as possible, which makes sense. It's a dry powder. You squeeze the bottle. I don't want to spray it now because it's going to go all over the place. And I don't know, sometimes I just prefer hot soapy water, but if I'm ever in a jam, I like using this. So in Marshall's, I found the Marc Jacobs bronzer brush. Instead of $100, it was $30. I couldn't leave it there. I love this brush. Oh, and I got this from Sephora. It's a brush cleaner. I think it's in the on sale section. It's a really good one. It's not too expensive. This is the Drunk Elephant Shea Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. Oh, I never turned the light on. This is the Drunk Elephant Shea Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. I have said on my channel before, I don't like using a balm, because if I use a balm, I have to wash my face after. And if I don't use a balm, I have to wash my face after. But with this one, it can be a one step if you want it to be. And then you don't need to moisturize. You don't even need to put chapstick or moisturizer before you go to bed. It's all one step. If you have dry skin, I know it's expensive. You might want to give it a try. And it comes with a magnetic spoon, so you can't lose it. Next is the Tom Ford Eyeshadow Quad No. 3 Body Heat. These are great eyeshadows. You know, I've been seeing people with them. They're so expensive. I finally picked one up. You know, you could stick with NARS or Marc Jacobs. They're okay, but I mean, for the price, big deal. For just a fraction of the price, the I Love Sephora palettes. They're really good and really relatively inexpensive. I swatched these in my last video, or the one before, and there are a lot of other ones.
Hear my words.
Guys, let me know in the comments below how you would have liked to have seen Game of Thrones end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.
I shall take no wife, hold no lands, father no children.